reeling, don't stop reeling.
Oh! Hooked up, hooked up, hooked up! What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing my most favorite thing ever. We're going after some Monsta sharks. We're gonna be drift fishing today, so we're gonna have 2 out on the bottom and 2 out on the top. That way you're covering all those water columns. It's gonna be our weighted rig. This is a 250-pound barrel swivel, 200-pound fluorocarbon leader, another 250-pound barrel swivel, 130-pound steel wire with the size 8/0 circle. And basically we're gonna put jack crevalle, sand trout, mullet. Next we have the drift line. This drift line is essential for fishing that upper water column. We've got about 5 foot of 150-pound wire leader, steel wire leader. The same 250-pound barrel swivel, size 8 circle hook. And we're gonna put something live on here. The drift is really fast right now. We're probably drifting like 2.5 knots, maybe 2 knots. We're letting out about 100 yards of line. We're gonna set this drift line. It's gonna be our very furthest. And then the next one's gonna be about 75 yards out. Send out our jack crevalle on the bottom. So we got the sardine chum. We're in the spot, a little rough. Here's a great trick you can do with this stuff. You can actually literally throw it down right here. Let it sit in that water. So we go back and forth and it's just gonna let particles out. Call those big monster fish in. Ah! Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. If it works, we gotta catch a fish first. It's monster time! I ain't eating no shark.
Hey.
Hooked up! Big fish, come on guys, come on! Ah! He's on, come here. Hold tight. Reel. Hooked up! There he is. Hooked up, baby! Smoke the bottom line. Oh, nice black tip. That's what we came here for right there. Nice black tip. That goes, okay, hold on. There you go. Yeehaw! Stars, brother. Good job. Woo! Finally got a black tip. Nice black tip in the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Take it.
Hooked up!
Pays off. All right. Come on. Around the motor. Help me out, Bobby, help me out. Don't worry about that belt, don't worry about that belt. Just help me move rod. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Brother. Golly, giant bull. There you go. Golly. Ooh, trophy ready. All right, gentlemen, we probably got the prettiest water we've had all year, man. Absolutely beautiful. Looks like we're sitting in Costa Rica right now. We're about 55 miles off the shore. Y'all are all gonna have your own rod. We're gonna flip that bell. We're gonna drop it all the way to the bottom, okay, guys? When you feel that good hit, set that hook as hard as you can. It's very important that once that snapper starts running, the second it stops, maintain good contact with it and hold on.
Hold on to it. Don't get up. Don't be tired. Really, don't stop really. Keep giving up.
Come on, baby, come on.
Now really, put that prod on your arm, boy. Real.
Brother, get it up. Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Here he comes.
Giant snapper.
Bring it this way.
Oh!
Oh, man.
Hold that thing up, Bobby. Woo! Absolute monster snapper on for the first fish, man. That's a stud fish right there. Let's do it again. That's the one right there. Feel, brother. That ain't no little snapper. Golly! Giant snapper. Sit it. Monster snapper on the, oh my gosh, dude. Biggest snapper of the year right here, probably, brother. Golly. Golly. Giant snapper. Epic day. Guys crushed it. Monster fishing. That's what it's all about. See if we can settle up with 1 or 2 kingfish and call it done. We're just about to reel in. We're actually reeling in these rods. Load the boat down, of course, to move spots. And about halfway through the reel in, bam, got hooked up into our first nice kingfish. There is. Kingfishing, baby! Love to see that kingfish here. Nice king. Heck yeah. Woo! This week, Friday, we've got an epic episode.
This video could be like week 4.
Oh my gosh. 4.
This can be week 4 for this episode.
Y'all have already seen the big shark. Y'all have already seen the giant stingray. Oh, it's probably this episode that they're gonna see. No, y'all have already seen all the trout and the monster redfish.
Hold on, check this out. Is this the 4th of July weekend?
It's June 7th,
No,
bro.
3 weeks from today.
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July, everybody! Shoot off your fireworks. It is June 7th, but guess what? Happy 4th of July! Woo! 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 Happy 4th, everybody! Can't wait to go fishing again tomorrow on June 8th. It's fine. It's whatever. We got any sparklers?